Alright, what's up, flawless gang? I'm back with a brand new video. So today I am vlogging. As y'all can see, I got some new hair in. I did an install for this company called Supernova. I just had to do a TikTok install video. I wish I would have recorded a YouTube video, but if you guys would like me to do a video like how I style, like, you know, the short hair, let me know. I can do it for you guys. But I decided to vlog. You guys do love my vlogs so much, and I wanted to continue to get some more vlogs out because I know you guys really do enjoy my vlogs. So currently I'm in the car. I'm at my cousin's house. We just pulled up in their development. It's so nice out here, y'all. I need to move out this way. Like, I need to get where the rich people at, you know what I'm saying? But so right now I'm in the car. We're about to be headed to get my nails done, because y'all see, these have been a month. It's gonna be a month this week that I have my nails like this. It is time for your girl to get some new nails and a new set. So y'all know my shorties will be back, probably the white shorties, because that's what I do. But yeah, how do y'all like the hair? I think it came out so cute. It's super different. I did a sideburn this time. I normally don't do sideburns. I be cutting them things off. Like, I don't know, with me wearing glasses, it be irritating me on the side, but I decided to do one, and I love it. Like, I think this hair is so cute. Y'all know I love the burgundy. Burgundy is really my color from like the first time I did red burgundy hair. So I love the color anyway. I just never done a 10-inch bob. I normally do 12, but yeah, so like I said, we're in the car. I'm just waiting for my mom. She went in to grab some food that my aunt had made. So yeah, but of course, before I do really get into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed and join the Flawless gang. I would love to have you here, so you guys do not miss out on any more uploads I'm doing. If you would love to see more of my face and would love to see more videos, please subscribe and join the gang. I would love to have you here. We are on the road to 100K. I'm so excited. We have so much stuff going on soon. I have some more hair. I have some more just content, vlogs, fun videos. I have so much content coming for the spring. I'm really excited. So y'all don't want to miss out. Stay tuned and subscribe. So with all that being said, you know, first of all, I'm feeling real bougie. Like, honestly, it's Aunt Shalisha at this point. Like, it's really giving wealthy aunt. Like, honestly and truly, I gotta put my shades on. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, y'all. I gotta put my shades on. It's giving a look. You know what I'm saying? I gotta see the look. Y'all see the look. I'm gonna be headed to the nail salon soon. I need to get these done, and I might get my eyebrows touched up too, because they're a little wishy, so might do that too. But yeah, I also ate Chick-fil-A. It was so good. They also sent me a package today. I got some packages to open with you guys. I will show you guys what I got. Some stuff came in the mail, some new hair and stuff, and just some stuff I like to open with y'all. So I'll show you guys what I got when I do get home. I have to go to the hair store, and I also have to go to Target. So we have a couple stops to do. I'll take you guys with me. But with all that being said, I will catch you guys when I'm at the nail salon, and I'll be right back soon.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. All the niggas brown, high and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
A few moments later. The next day.
Alright, what's up, flawless gang? So this is part 2. It's the next day of yesterday's vlogs. So I have some errands to run right now. I have some wig orders. So if you guys do not know, the wigs I do install on my YouTube, I do now sell my wigs. So this one will be for sale as well soon, once I, you know, take the pictures for the brand and stuff and get everything out the way, and then it'll be ready for sale. So I sold 3 so far. I have 2 left. I have my burgundy one and I have my bob. So if you guys looked at those videos, I have those 2 left. You know, you're gonna have to follow me on Instagram, because I'm just gonna post scatteredly. Whenever I'm done a wig, I'll just post it and be like, you know, it's for sale. Whoever has it first, you know, can take it. But yeah, I have to ship one to South Carolina, and then one is going to, I believe, Texas. So thank you, ladies, for shopping. I am so excited for you guys to get your hair because they are so nice. Perfect condition. Like, my wigs aren't even worn, like, if 3 times. I wear them for a video, and sometimes I don't even wear it, you know, a couple more days after I take it off because I have more hair to do literally that same day. So I'm gonna put you guys on my tripod, and I'm going to let you guys watch me print these orders and package them, and then we have to go to the hair store because I want to give a little free gift. In the orders, I want to give an even spray, edge control brush, and I think I have some extra wig caps, so I might give some of those because I get them sent all the time. So I just want to give a little appreciation from me to you guys who shop with me and stuff like that. So if you don't have the products, now you do. So I'm giving y'all the good stuff because y'all know I lay my wigs with one thing only, and it's even, and that's it. That's what I'm giving y'all. So yes, material girl, you're getting good stuff from me. So yeah, also I want to show you guys some packages. We have some stuff to open when I come home from taking those back. But yeah, let me put you on my tripod and we're going to get these orders done. So let's go. Hey y'all, so I'm dressed and stuff. So this is how I did my hair. I just, you know, fixed it up, curled it a little bit more, did some loose curls and some straighten this under. But please don't mind, this is just some lip gloss, so please excuse that. I was putting on my lip gloss from my brand, and it got on my shirt. I was like, so annoying. But the fit for today, I just wore this burgundy top. I wanted to kind of match my hair because, you know, since I have the little red moment going on again from when I did it in the winter time, like December. So I have that on, and then I have some jeans on. These are from H&M. I love these jeans so much. They're so nice. These jeans are really, really cute. And then for the sneaks, I just have on my sweater 7s. I have not worn these in probably 5 years. I don't know. I have worn these in a minute. Like, I have not worn these in a minute, and they look so good. They still fit really nice too, and I really do love them. I haven't worn them because, you know, they're just like a colorway that, you know, you just don't wear all the time. You gotta have an outfit ready for them. So I just wore it with this because they have like the same exact red in this shirt and the shoes. So it has the red, it's like the burgundy-ish red in the shoe. I took the packages to the post office and they're going to love them. So what I did is I showed you guys how I packaged them up, but I went to the beauty supply store and I went and got some even little cans. I gave them an even spray, and then I just gave them one of the edge control brushes, and I put the hairnet on top, and then the long organza bag, and I shipped them off. One is going to New Jersey and one is going to South Carolina. So them ladies will get their wigs. The New Jersey one should get it by Wednesday, and then the South Carolina should get it by Friday. So yes, y'all, and this one will definitely be for sale as soon as I, you know, take this off and I finally got a picture in it, so I'm good, you know, with the whole pictures and stuff like that for the brand. Got that out the way, so this one will be for sale as well. I love it. I plucked this one to the T, child. You see the sides, okay? I plucked this to the T. Like, I did my thing with this wig. I loved it. And red, this is my color, so I just love it. Whether it's a short bob, long hair, I love it. So, and then I did the sideburn. The sideburn gave it different because I don't normally do sideburns. Like I told you, I hate them because I wear glasses and it's so annoying. But I returned out to love it, and it's so cute. Right now we just got back home. Got me to my Chick-fil-A, of course. And I want to show y'all my packages that I got because I have some stuff that came. I want to show y'all what I got. I got some new hair. And I also got some stuff. Oh, y'all, Chick-fil-A sent me a package. And oh my God, I can't believe they sent me something that's so cute. But yeah, I'm going to go in the house now in a little bit. I'm trying to figure out what I'm posting on Instagram. I'm trying to post on my story. And then I will go in the crib. So I will get back with y'all in a minute. And we'll go open up some packages. All right, y'all. So I had to get comfy so I can show you guys my packages. So first, I got sent something from Chick-fil-A, and I was so excited to get this. So they sent me over this box. So Chick-fil-A sent me over some of these super cute socks. Since I'm signature, they sent me over something because, you know, I'm always there and stuff like that. So I thought that was so sweet. But they sent me these custom socks, and they're so cute. So the first pair are like these waffle fries. I thought these were like super cute. They're my favorite ones. And then they sent you these ones that kind of like resemble their sauces, because you know, like the Chick-fil-A sauce, Polynesian and stuff, the different colors. And then the very last one they sent was this ice cream resemble pair of socks. I think these are my second favorite. They're so cute. Thank you so much, Chick-fil-A, for sending me these. They were so cute, and I really cannot wait to wear these because I just love how unique they are. I don't have any socks like these. Yes, I am in love with my socks. Thank you so much, and I cannot wait to wear these. So that was the first package from Chick-fil-A. Then we got some hair. So I have some more hair videos coming up. So I'm going to be working with West Kiss very soon, and then Arabella. So they sent me over some wigs, and I cannot wait to show y'all because I'm so excited. I'm finally working with some HD lace. Like, we know we're stepping it up from Swiss Brown. Okay, like, you know, we love growth. So this is the wig from West Kiss. This is a 5x5 HD lace closure. As y'all can see, look, where's the lace? Literally, it melts into my skin. You cannot even see it. It's undetectable, and I love this straight HD lace. I love it, and this will be coming very soon. I have to, you know, customize it, bleach and pluck it. Y'all know how I do. If y'all would like a video on how I do bleach and pluck, and like maybe I can do a video also of like the best products to get as a beginner if you're starting to get into wigs, like the best products to get to start, you know, doing wigs, let me know. I can do both for you guys, or I can combine them. So yeah, let me know. But this is the first wig. This is 20 inches from West Kiss. Also, their packaging is so cute, and they sent me some really cute gifts. So I'm gonna wait to show you guys that in the video. But thank you, West Kiss, for this beautiful wig. And then we have Arabella. I never worked with them as well. They sent some cute gifts also. Hold on, let me get my brush. I always like to comb them out just so they look better. This one is so thick. Both of these wigs are super thick. This one is really thick. This is 22 inches. Look how long and beautiful she is. She has such good weight in here. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. This is a 13 by 4 or 5 frontal wig. Love this, and I do love the band that they put in here. A lot of hair companies do not put the band, and I love this band because it's going to be super fitted on the head. And look how long this is, y'all. This is really about to be some inches. Like, I am excited. This is also HD lace, as y'all can see. The lace is really undetectable, and it's going to be super easy to cut. This is so thin, and it's going to melt beautifully. So this is the next hair I will be doing. I think those were the packages I had to show you guys, that I wanted to, you know, help you guys, that I wanted to show you guys that, you know, what's coming ahead. I think that's everything I had, but I do have some upcoming videos. I'm doing some makeup soon. I have to do a tutorial for this company called We Makeup. I'm really excited. I have some more wigs to do. I have some fashion videos coming, and I also have some more personal like sit down videos, perfume content also coming. So I have a couple of different things on the agenda for you guys, and I'm really excited. I hope you guys are too. I have so much coming for you guys, so stay tuned for all of that. But I believe that is a wrap for this vlog, guys. I just wanted to, you know, take you guys with me on, you know, a self-care day, you know, just to, you know, maintenance on the nails and stuff like that, and just come out with me. I enjoyed the day. The weather was really nice. It's really getting nice here in PA. The winter is breaking, so I'm excited. You know, it's not in the 30s no more, like freezing. It's like 60s, 50s, 70s. So we are catching a break over here on the East Coast. Could it be brick over here? Like, praise the Lord. Oh, bashata. We are so glad for the weather. Thank God for that. But yeah, I think that is it. So I just wanted to, like I said, I just wanted to take you guys with me. I am starting to sell my wigs as well. I have 2 left. I have my burgundy one, if you guys watched that install, and then I have my 12-inch bob. So if you guys are interested in either one, you can DM me about it, and I can let you guys know the pricing. I normally post it on my story, but I sold 3, so those 2 are the only ones remaining. And then I will be eventually selling this one frontal, this 10-inch one, burgundy, and black ombre. So that is the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy it. You know, like I said, life of a homebody, I really am home all the time unless I'm running out real quick, but I be in the house filming content, doing wigs, you know, stuff like that, getting stuff ready for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna start vlogging more. It's getting nice, so you know, I'm gonna start vlogging. I have some plans this weekend, so I'm gonna take you guys with me, and I'm gonna vlog more. I'm gonna try to get a vlog at least like once a week, just, you know, for like a weekly vlog for you guys, just to, you know, get more vlogs on the channel, because I know you guys do love my vlogs a lot. So yes, more vlogs on the way. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, just get a big thumbs up. Let me know you guys feedback about the video today. Chill vibes. I really did enjoy today's vlog. It was like more chill vibes, just letting y'all come along with me, you know, showing y'all my little personal life things I do, like, you know, my wigs, how I package those and stuff like that. So I'm excited. But make sure you guys also are following me on social media. That's where I do post my wigs at. I post them like randomly, so if you guys can catch them, follow me on there. That's where I do post my wigs. Instagram is I am Shalisha Marie. Snapchat is princessgirl18, and Twitter is xxshalishasflawless. And of course, if you guys are not subscribed already, please subscribe and join the Flawless gang. I would love to have you here, part of the family, so don't miss out on any more uploads. And if you want to see more of my face, subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. So all that being said, y'all, I'm about to dip in a little minute, about to go get dressed, and I have to run to Ulta, because y'all remember that Josie Moran face butter I showed y'all? Yo, I really like that, and I finished the whole tube. I'm about to go re-buy it at Ulta today, so I'm about to really put that in my skincare because I like it. Try to tell y'all, it's really, really, really good for the winter. It's super thick, and like I find like nothing was moisturizing my face in the winter, you know what I'm saying? Like cocoa butter, I normally use that, Palmer's on my face, but I feel like that's more for like the lighter months, like, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't really doing nothing for me in the winter, and I found my product and I am sticking with it, and I really like it. It hasn't broken me out. It's gonna make my skin really soft and just so nice. I love it. But let me go get dressed, y'all. I will catch y'all back in my next video very, very soon. Bye everyone. Mwah.